Welcome, follow me, say HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. And before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, so you can find it in a box, or you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. And from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so basically where this is holding right now. Push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out, and from here we have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one nano memory. Unfortunately, I have no nano memory, and well, not really planning to, so I can't really demonstrate it, but it's the exact same size as the SD card or the SIM card itself. So all you need to do is just place it on the tray and it will work. So from there, place this and then simply slide it back into the device, and you will immediately see that it changes the language once I actually inserted it, which is the annoying part on HUAWEI. So as you can see right now, it's in English, and give it a second till it recognizes the SIM card, and you can already see it's changed. Cool. Very nice here. I always love when the phone changes my language, even though I literally went through the setup process to choose this language. So if you're the type of person that is in a different country and uses, well, the card from there, but doesn't really speak the language, you're kind of bummed out right now. So let's go into the settings, and you can quickly find everything just by the icons. So settings, notification panel, and you have this gear icon. Then scroll all the way down to I believe is system and actualization, which is the blue icon, second from the bottom. Once more, so you can see it right here. As you can see, there's a phone with a, again, gear icon, so choose that and then go through to the third option right here. So third from the top, I believe this is gonna be always the position of the language, and from here tap on the first option and then choose the option to add language, which is going to be a second one or third depending how many languages you have added, but it's going to be the blue text without the bars. And from here search for your language. So let's go with English, and then it will pop up a message if you want to change it to this language. So choose the option on the right side. This is to change it, and we'll automatically select it. And there we go. And now we're back in English as we're supposed to be after inserting a SIM card anyway. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.